Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have access and privileges. Start immediately by opening TSO and ISP. First, choose dataset type, PS for sequential, PDS/PDSE for members. This affects allocation and tools. Next, specify RECFM, LRECL, and BLK size because those control I/O performance. Once chosen, pick the volume or unit and set primary/secondary extents. Cataloging decision matters for recovery. Make sure to note naming conventions and RACF profiles so creation won't be blocked by security. Now create the dataset. In ISP3. 2. Enter DSN and attributes, then press F3 to allocate. Alternatively, submit JCL with a DD statement and DISP equals new. Specify space with CYL or TRK and give RECFM, LRECL, and BLK size so programs read correctly. For PDS, use directory or PDSE with suggested directory blocks to avoid member failures. Once allocated, use listcat or TSO lists to verify catalog entries. Finish by verifying the dataset is cataloged and accessible. Run IDCAM's listcat or TSO lists and check the volume and status fields. Then open the file in ISP or submit a tiny job that writes and reads a record to confirm attributes are correct. If you encounter allocation failures, check DISP, space units, and RACF permissions. These are the usual culprits. If a catalog mismatch appears, uncatalog and recatalog with proper volume and device, then re-verify to avoid runtime errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.